I am Shalja Sharma from Abroad Gateway. In this video, I will explain 4 important points which you need to know before attempting listening test. The first and foremost is grammar, spelling, handwriting, use all capital letter. Let's discuss all of them in detail. First is grammar. Incorrect grammar will cost you points. So be careful with things like plural and singular nouns. Also, be careful with tenses and subject-verb agreement. Take care with verb tenses. An incorrect noun form or verb tense will be considered an incorrect answer, even if your answer is right. Capitalization of proper noun is also important. For example, if you write Australia as Australia, your answer will be marked as incorrect. Spelling. The same goes for spelling. Incorrect spelling will be marked as an incorrect answer. So take care. Handwriting is important. If the examiner cannot read what you have written, it will be marked incorrect. Use all capital letter. If you have messy handwriting or are not sure which words you need to capitalize, words written in all capitals are usually neater and easier to read. Also, you don't have to worry about losing marks. At last, I would say these 4 points are really important, and if you work on these points, undoubtedly you can improve your listening score in less time. In next video, I will explain IELTS listening important information to remember for better listening exam. Thank you.